Hi guys, I hope you are all doing well. Let's see today's question. So today's question we are picking up from the topic of circles and we are continuing of our series of questions on JEE Advanced. So we have this taken today from the topic of circles and the question says that A, B, C are the three sides of the triangle such that sum of the first two sides, that is A plus B, is X, and the product of two sides A into B is given to us as Y. We have been given C is the third side of the triangle with the equation x square minus c square is equal to 1. And after this equation, we have been asked to find the ratio of the radius of incircle upon the radius of circumcircle. So circumcircle, if I show it to you, basically if this is a triangle, the circle which touches all the three vertices of the triangle is nothing but the circumcircle. So we need to find the radius of that, as well as we need to find the radius of incircle. Incircle is a circle which inscribes in the triangle touching all the three sides. So this is your incircle. So you need to find the ratio of the radius of incircle to the ratio of radius of the circumcircle. So let's understand. Let's say ratio of incircle is R and ratio of radius of circumcircle is capital R. That is asked to us, and there are four options also given to us. Let's see them. So the first option tells us 3y upon 2x x plus c, 3y upon 2c x plus c. The third option 3y upon 4x x plus c, and the last option given to us is 3y upon 4c x plus c. These are the four options given to us. Let's figure out the solution and then find out which one of the ratio is correct which is given. So let's understand the solution for this question. So if I first of all write this, let's say the three sides of my triangle are A, B and C. A plus B is given to me as X and A into B, that is product, is given to me as Y. And we have been given one equation that says x square minus c square is equal to 5. So if I use this idea, A plus B is X, Y is A into B. So you get this as A square plus 2AB plus B square minus C square is equal to A. So you get A square plus B square minus C square. This becomes AB minus 2AB, that is minus A. So you get A square plus B square minus C square is equal to minus AB. Now, if I write this in terms of A square plus B square minus C square, if I divide both sides by 2AB so that the left hand side gets converted into a cosine formula, it gives me minus AB by 2AB. AB gets cancelled, you are left with A square plus B square minus C square upon 2AB is equal to minus. Now when it is A square plus B square minus C square, we understand this is a formula for cos of C. So because it is minus C square, so cos of cosine of the angle C is minus half. And if you see cos is negative, we know sine or cos is positive in the first and the fourth quadrant. Here cos is negative. So when cos is negative minus half in the second quadrant, the angle becomes 180 minus theta. So 180 minus theta, where theta is the magnitude, that is half, and half comes in 60 degree. So cos of 180 minus 60. That gives me cos of 120. So basically C becomes the angle 120 degree. So in a triangle, the angle C measures 120 degree, or in radian terms, if I want to write it, it is nothing but 2 pi by 3 radians. So now we have this angle C with us. Let's solve further. Now we have been asked to find the ratio of incircle radius to circumcircle radius. We know incircle radius is nothing but area of the triangle divided by semi-perimeter. This is your area of triangle. This is your semi-perimeter. And radius of the circumcircle, that is given by product of the three sides A into B into C divided by 4 delta. Delta is again area of the triangle. So A into B into C is nothing but the product of three sides. Now if I use this idea here, let's see what do I get. If I further solve this, I get delta square into 4 upon S, that is semi-perimeter, multiplied with the product of three sides. Now let's understand, if I talk about area of triangle, we don't know the angle where it is, or is it a right angle or not, but we know already one angle, that is C. So we know that area of triangle, I can write it as half into product of two sides and the angle between the two sides. So let's say if I take A and B, the angle between them will be C. So sine of that angle C. So you get this as half into AB into sine of C. We already found out that was 2 pi by 3 radians. That is 120. And 120, if you see in second quadrant, sine is positive there. So sine of 120 is equal to sine of 60. Sine 60 comes out root 3 by 2. So you get this as 3 into B. So if you write that here, you get it for root 3 AB by 4 the whole square upon. S is nothing but semi-perimeter, and semi-perimeter means sum of all sides divided by 2. A into B into C, so I'll write it as it is. Now, let's solve it further. If I try to solve this, I get ratio of incircle radius to circumcircle radius as 4, and root 3 square is 3, A square, B square upon 16. So 4 ones are 4, 4s are gets cancelled. You get here A plus B plus C by 2. I know A plus B is nothing but X, so X plus C by 2. And you have the product A into B into C. So basically, if I again see, I can cancel 1A, 1B from numerator and the denominator. So you are left with 3AB upon 4 X plus C into C, and this 2 which is present in the denominators of the denominator goes into the numerator. So it becomes 2 multiplied here. You get it, 2 ones are 2 twos are. So basically the answer which you get in this case is, I can write the product of A and B as Y. So you get it 3Y upon 2C X plus C. So the ratio of incircle radius to circumcircle radius which is asked to us, I get it in terms of Y and X as 3Y upon 2C X plus C. And if you see the option that matches here with the question that is asked to us is B. So B is the correct answer for the question which is asked to us. So that's the correct option here. I hope you have understood how to solve this type of question. So you just needed to use this idea that incircle radius is given by area of triangle by the semi-perimeter, and circumcircle radius is product of the three sides divided by 4 times the area of. That gives you the answer as in terms of y and x, 3y upon 2c into x plus c. I'll meet you again tomorrow with the next question. Till then, you can like and share these videos with your friends who are also involved in the preparation of JEE Advanced. Also, if you are enjoying this series of JEE Advanced questions, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.